don't make this mistake as a school community owner. I've worked with Course, which is making 250K a month right now, and I have made ads for school and was a month in Schoolers, and I also work with a community called Lifestyle Founder Group, and we have made 30K this month. So this is a concept that I originally learned from Alex Hormozi, which is, drumroll please, don't promise outputs, promise inputs. Now, the reason for that is because everybody out there is talking about hit 10K a month, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. And I think the market has, from what I've seen, shifted to people not really believing in that because people haven't followed through. So the big shift is promising inputs. I will do X, Y, Z. And the implication of such a thing is that they will eventually hit the desired outcome. But you do not promise that. And in this video, in this Q&A, he talked about how it'd be, let's say you're on a call with a prospect and they tell you, okay, so does this mean that I'm going to hit 10K a month, for example? And you can be like, yeah, completely understand what you're talking about. And that would be awesome. And what we do is just, we don't promise anything. This is what you get. But this stuff is obviously amazing, blah, blah, blah. And then you go into it. I think this is very top of mind for me because I'm making my own offer right now. And it was get profitable ads, essentially, with a good school community. I'm running a cohort. And we were thinking of doing some sort of output-based. But the thing with output-based is that there's so many advantages because we can't control every variable, right? So we would just be another person in the market that's promised something that can't actually keep it. And we don't want that reputational risk, number one. It feels shitty, number two. Number three, it's just the number 1 and 2. Okay, so when you're going about your offer, if it is output based, then you can just think about all the inputs you're doing and just switch it. So the promise would basically shift. And what you want to do is, instead of focusing on this top part, which is of the value equation, so dream outcome multiplied by likelihood of achievement divided by time delay and FN multiplied by FN sacrifice, you just want to focus on the bottom part instead of being like, you will make $1 million a month by 5 minutes of work. Sounds very scammy. Okay, that's pretty much it. Put below if you have any questions. I walk through them every week on a weekly growth video. Okay,